She's still trying to fry some pork chops.
Twin, baby.
Baby, like, hold on now.
I better come down here and get one of these. Hey.
Francesca.
Francisca. Oh, I got on the wrong side.
I ain't talking about that.
Oh, girl.
You put it Okay, y'all, so hold on. So let me give you the rundown on what I got to do. So first, I have to go to my friend dinner. But before I go to her dinner, I have to stop and get her a card. I already got her this little sweater that says cancer on it. It's so cute. I got her that. I don't want to open it because I want her to open it or whatever. But I got her that. And then I'm gonna head to the dinner. The dinner starts at 8. Let me tell y'all how much time I got. It's 6:16. I'm trying to be out the house by 7 because I still have to stop. And the dinner is like 30. Where she having the dinner at is like 30 minutes away. So that's the first thing. Then after I leave the dinner, my cousins, they're having a game night. So my cousins coming, my sisters. It's finna get lit. So I have a lot to do. And y'all, I cut my lace down because my mama said, baby, it's giving too much lace. So I cut it down. She know what she's talking about. I cut it down a little bit. I might put baby hair right there. I don't know. I probably just keep it like this. Who knows? I don't know. Whatever. But now I'm just about to get ready. I don't think I'm gonna do a little get ready with me because I don't have time. That's my fault. But I wanted to take a little break because we've been out all day running around the stove. But yeah, I'm about to get in the tub. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna wear. Hey y'all, so I am in the car, but yes, I am dressed. And y'all, today I am wearing tennis shoes. Like I am about to put some tennis shoes on, y'all. And I don't wear tennis shoes. This little graphic t-shirt, and it's cut in the middle, and I just tied it up, and I got some regular booty shorts on. Okay, y'all, so I am here. I am waiting on her. Oh, my hair's so freezing, girl. Like, it's freezing real bad. But this time, look at that. Okay, that's better. Yeah, I am on the way to the cousins' game night. Y'all, it takes at least 20 minutes to get to this girl's apartment. Like, this ridiculous. This ridiculous. But anywho, I look alright. I remember one day I tried to pop up over here on this girl. Y'all, why I went to the wrong apartment? Like, when pop-ups goes wrong. Anyway, ooh, that always smell like weed, baby. Y'all, these folk lit. They too lit. They lit, baby. They ain't even expecting me.
That mean I ain't gotta worry about no Smoking on that nigga top, you better hold his head tight. Anyways, life's great, pussy still good. They still eating cake, wishing that a bitch.
This girl said it was a damn night. Party night. I want y'all to see this. Club Denise. That girl get put out, Mom.
They try to make me catch a body.
Got my foot up on their necks as a bitch should. On the front, I'm L-R-E-E, fuck nigga shit. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga shit. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again.
Okay, y'all, so right about now I am getting oil change and I'm about to go walk the Dollar Tree. Ouch, a rock just went in my shoe. There go Dollar Tree. I don't even know if I'm recording, but yeah, I'm just walking around here. When I leave from here I gotta go back home because the kids are at home and my mama, she got to go to the bank. So when she get back, I gotta go get laser hair removal, y'all. I'm scared because I had a Brazilian wax one time out of my life and I ain't never went back. The results was good. I give them that, the results was good, but that process, no. Never, ever, ever again. Okay, y'all, so I am back at home and I am eating some pasta. Let me show y'all. Okay, y'all, so I am here in the parking lot. I'm supposed to be here at 1:15 and it's 12:37. So I wanted to get here on time because they say if you're late, you will automatically have to get a new appointment. And I've been late before, so yeah, I want to be super early. Let my phone charge a little bit too because it's dead. So I'm gonna go up there about 12:50. So it's 12:38. I'm gonna go up there about 12:50 or whatever because they probably can start on me early and I can go back home. But yes, y'all, and I cannot wait to take this wig off. Like, I'm about to get a ponytail, and next weekend I probably do another ponytail, but it probably be like Barbie themed kind of. I don't know how I'm gonna do it because I gotta keep checking, I gotta keep moving, I gotta keep working. So next weekend I probably done changed my mind anyway. But
Like, turn it on. I'm gonna kill him. Come on down. Don't let no crowd in here. Hey, don't play like that. You gotta come down.
hey y'all, so today is Saturday. It's the weekend. And you already know I'm outside with the vibes. So right about now I am about to get my hair done so I really gotta go. I got a couple of places. I gotta go get my feet done.
Sit back. Why you sitting up like
5
that?
seconds on the clock, please.
And now you don't got to be
Many
loose.
days in
Okay.
advance should a man ask a woman out on a date? What is it? Name a place parents get dirty looks if their child is throwing a hissy.
Yeah, I'm about to get a ponytail.
Tell me a musical
Grocery
instrument
store.
you wish you had learned to play.
So
Again. Name something politicians get caught doing.
oh yeah, hold on y'all. Let me pour these eggs. We back, y'all.
Wings the number one answer. That's it. What's the other wing?
Part of a chicken that's also part of a Victoria's Secret angel.
Why your hair so dry?
I don't got nothing on it. I'm sorry for coming to your shop like that. When I do the rich color.
Yeah.
Ooh. Massage me, baby.
Okay, boy.
feels so good too.
You better brush your hair. That's how white women have long hair. 100 strokes a day.
Vikings. He's the one that caught that incredible touchdown pass with no time on the clock against the
Your eyes.
Sacramento, California, Level 6. Big nasty. Name for body parts you hate to have your doctor accidentally sew shut during the operation. Privates. Your privates.
Hair in my closet. A good little pack of organique. Well, it's 2 of them. I think I bought these during the pandemic. It's all bent up and stuff. But that's alright. That's alright. Let me see how it's gonna look. She's still trying to fry some pork chops.
I'm trying to cut this hair thing off. Why you should have did it?
Oh.
Why you stopped it? Who do you think you are now? His name's Swanzella.
Shanice.
Pretty Shanice.
Her name is Shanice.
You like to know this Shanice.
Her name is Shanice. Forehead sausage with pork tart, sausage with spaghetti.
The girl had to eat that sausage. That big black. I'm like her.
That girl did not want to eat that sausage, but
I ain't like sausage like that neither.
me either.
I like them now. Certain one now. I don't like them brats.
What is
That brown sausage that pup you put on the breeze. You might like it.
Johnsonville?
Yeah, I don't like them.
Yeah, I like the Italian one. I like that. I like that better than
The smoked sausage.
Eckert's, whatever it is. The green pack.
You don't like it?
I ain't had my other sausage in a long time. Rollwood, finna go get some today.
That's your sausage, girl. You like an old lady.
I love this sausage.
We get it from our grandma.
Yeah.
You gotta get it from her grandma, boy.
Grandma used to walk the Big H. She did. From New Jersey Street to Big H. Boy, we used to be on a journey walking for hours.
Hot.
All day long.
Y'all was skinny?
I'll never forget one day we left when it was like that. We come at sunset.
Why y'all gone so long?
We was just all on Simpson.
What big
All
H
in the
is that?
bluff. I don't know. It was just one of them little stores.
Oh, down there about hour down south.
Yeah, don't walk through creeks and everything.
There it goes.
For real. My grandma had us on the road, boy. I'll never forget that day. We walked from sunny like that, and we came back, the sun was setting.
She was just stopping everywhere talking on.
Yeah.
Around her mouth. That's like what she do. Run that mouth.
She did get us some stuff from the store, though. Well, me. I remember I had that balloon with the string on and doing it like that. Well, we was on walking.
She didn't get a rest on none.
I don't think so.
They were bad.
I don't know about them.
Y'all come from New Jersey. New Jersey don't look the same no more.
They don't.
Real nice out of now.
Mid-pony, mid-pony. Hair not even done yet, like, and I'm already feeling myself. Who is this? Who it is? Who this is?
Crazy girl. No, just leave it right there. Don't just get out and try to see. I don't look at too many scary movies.
For real. That's what I said about that car that was in the middle of the street. Just in the middle of the street with your hazards on. I'm gonna go around. I ain't even ask, what you doing? Are you okay? None of that.
You might shoot through my window. Somebody else might run from the other side. Can't be trusting these folks.
In the middle of the street, girl. Couldn't believe it.
I hate that happened to her. But God got it. Well, shit, I hope he knows what's best. We can't stop his will. Like they said the other day, you cannot stop the Lord's will. Whatever his will is gonna be, it's gonna be. Can't stop it.
I'm the ponytail expert. And it's, I want it up some. No, I want it tall.
Let me do it.
Grab the ponytail.
Your ponytail over there. What you grabbing your hand right here for?
Cause I'm trying to get it this way too. It's cricket.
What's cricket?
Me holding the ponytail.
Just hold it up.
That's what I was trying to do.
Let me. What you trying to do? What you trying to do?
Like this. Get a good. Ooh.
You had a good grip on it and hold it.
Do you see what? I forgot, I never did talk about the laser hair removal. So to be honest, like the pain, I would say 4 or 5 out of 10. Like the pain level was not how I expected. I really thought it was gonna be like 10 out of 10, 8 out of 10. Another girl said it was 8 out of 10 for her. So I guess it depends on like your hair, like how thick your hair is or whatever, because I know my hair is not thick at all, so maybe that's why it didn't hurt like I thought it would. And another thing is she did it so fast, like literally I feel like it was less than 10 minutes. Like it was like boom 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 for the armpits, and for the Brazilian, like she really did it fast. But I do recommend like laser treatment, because a Brazilian versus laser, baby, if I would have known that laser felt way better, I would have did laser first. But Brazilian hurt to me, like a Brazilian wax, it hurts. So yeah, y'all should try laser hair removal. So let me show y'all what I got on now. Yeah, when I say I can't fit none of my clothes. When I first bought this outfit, it was real baggy right here. About to go up the street to Blue Cantina at Camp Creek with my friends, because I haven't seen them in months. I haven't seen them since April. So that's a little meaning. So that was like we outside. So baby, we are outside. So I will see y'all when I get up there. It's nobody. Hey, cuz.